Hi everyone. So now we have a really rare model. It's Pioneer DEH-700. It's CD player from late 80s, early 90s, and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also, and it's two color. So at first I'm going to test the radio itself, CD player, and later I'm going to show you how to use the Bluetooth.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need is a better day. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy.
Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. Green color, all okay. Now let's switch the color. Now it's orange. Everything is just fine. I want to mention you that the screen has some imperfections, okay, in the corners. If we take out the CD, now if you can see, lock is on. Now it's off, but you can still it's still visible. It's not that bad in daytime, but nighttime it's a bit visible. So there is not much we can do about it. Okay. In order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch the band mode to middle waves, which we don't use any longer. So it's very simple. Just press the band button a couple times. Now it's middle waves, which means the Bluetooth is activated. Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a few seconds. Here it is. That's it. Bluetooth is activated now. You can go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? So when you want to back to your normal radio, simply press the band button again to switch to FM mode, and you're back to regular radio. It's really simple to use. Okay guys, thumbs up.